Okay guys, it's Monday morning again. Okay, what we're going to attempt to do today is working on the interior on this puppy here. I've got everything we need finally. I'm going to button it up, clean it up, run a few more twist ties or zip ties on the wiring, and then run it a couple of times and maybe take it out for a drive. Who knows? Let's get started. Okay, we got, let me turn it around. We got most of the interior in. I gotta clean that console and then fit that piece and then put in the driver's seat and I guess just do general stuff to it. I tell you, there's a lot of little pieces missing from this car. Anyway, you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.